Hi guys, this is Rohit
and Shitija
and welcome to our channel.
तो चलो आज हम आपको अंटार्कटिका सैर करवाते हैं। जैसे ही हमारी शिप निकली उशुवाया से और लैंड को अलविदा कर दिया, थोड़ी ही देर में आसमान में घने बादल छा गए और मौसम का कमाल तो देखिए। थोड़ी ही देर में वो साफ हो गया और बहुत सुंदर से अलग अलग प्रजाति के पंछी दिखने लग गए। पर क्या आपको पता है, वहां पहुंचने के लिए सबसे पहले ड्रेक पैसेज, जिसको दुनिया का सबसे खतरनाक समुद्र माना जाता है, उसको पार करना पड़ता है। ये उसकी एक छोटी सी झलक, जिसमें हमारी शिप 4 से 5 मीटर ऊपर और नीचे होने लग गई थी।
Yes friends, we started getting glimpses of this frozen celestial land right from our room. We anchored on the white continent. The expedition crew started taking the zodiacs to explore the region around. For people who don't know what a zodiac is, of course you can Google it, but in brief, it means a small boat able enough to navigate these waters. The majestic aura of this untouched beauty was slowly emerging, hypnotizing us by its charm. It felt like a dream presenting itself right from our balcony.
Come, we'll show you the mudroom. This is deck 4 on our ship and here is the mudroom. तो आप सोच रहे होंगे मडरूम है क्या? मडरूम एक ऐसी रूम है जहां आपको रेडी होना पड़ता है शिप से बाहर अंटार्कटिका जाने के लिए। तो यहाँ आते टाइम हमने हमारे थर्मल, स्वेटशर्ट, उसके ऊपर पार्काज, ये सब पहना हुआ था, जिससे ठंडी से पूरी तरह से प्रोटेक्शन होगा। आपको अगर इसके बारे में और जानना है तो आप देख क्या रहे हो, चैनल को जल्दी से लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर कर लो। आपको हम पूरी A to Z जानकारी डिटेल में देंगे। So we have come to the mudroom in our ship. You can see this. So all the attire, when you go to the Antarctic land, it is not allowed to go in this attire. So you have to change basically, put the parka on and then dress up as per the standards and guidelines they have given to you as IAATO. You can go and search that for the long form.
We are in the mudroom, and in the mudroom you will see there are a lot of lockers present because every cabin is assigned a different locker, a separate locker for themselves. As you can see that the cabin is shared between 2 people and both of them keep their life jackets as well as the boots in the locker room. It can be used for other purposes, we will see that later. These gum boots are the waterproof boots which are provided by them for you because there will be a lot of water. You are going to have wet landings. And when you are going to have wet landings, you definitely need the gum boots. So you wear this, and on top of that, you wear your waterproof pants. Remember, you are not allowed to go outside if you don't have your waterproof pants. Once you have the waterproof pants on, once you have the parka on, the last thing that you wear is your life jacket. These are auto life jackets. Once you wear them, you have the inflation happens automatically, and there are other procedures that they'll guide you as to how exactly the life jacket works. And with that gear, you're ready to step on to the farthest place on earth, Antarctica.
तो इस तरह से आपको यहाँ पे रेडी होना है।
When you go into a zodiac, there's going to be a guy helping you in and out of the zodiac. His name is Suber. Suber. You're going to say, "Good morning, Suber. Thank you, Suber. I appreciate all your help, Suber. You're so handsome, Suber. Can we get a drink later, Suber?" Yeah. Okay, Suber. Harder than anybody else on the ship. Show them that we love them and appreciate them. Cool? Cool. Suber. Superman.
तो हम लोग अभी रेडी हैं अंटार्कटिका जाने के लिए। जाने से पहले हमारे जो गम बूट्स है उसको डिसइंफेक्टेंट करना पड़ेगा। ये है विरकॉनको सॉल्यूशन, इसमें शूज डिप करने हैं और उसके बाद ही आपको अंटार्कटिका लैंड पे वो लोग लैंड करवाएंगे। वाओ गाइस, क्या सुंदर नजारा है।
How does it feel, the white continent?
चलो गाइस, हम लोग तो अभी ज़ोडिएक में हैं। वो देखो हमारी शिप, आप देख सकते हो वहाँ पे चारों तरफ बर्फ ही बर्फ है।
Hey Shinida, how does it feel?
In order to traverse these unpredictable waters, we had our Superman, the expedition crew of this ship. Friends, the weather was completely dynamic. It was sunny sometimes, it was foggy sometimes, it rained, and we also experienced a beautiful snowfall. If you want to witness how the 4 seasons look like in one day, make sure you subscribe our channel and keep watching more of our videos. Looking at this view, I'm pretty sure everyone agrees to our channel name, Passport Zaruri Awas. There were hundreds of penguins playing, leaping, squawking, swimming into these icy waters of Antarctica.
After that, we were traveling from our Zodiac ride and we witnessed a huge, gigantic iceberg. यहाँ पे तो पिक्चर बनता है बॉस। ये हमारा फर्स्ट ज़ोडिएक राइड था। हम बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थे। तो करीब करीब 1 घंटा हमको हमारे एक्सपीडिशन लीडर ने पूरा अंटार्कटिका घुमाया। उसके बाद हमने ये बर्फ़ उठा लिया, उसके साथ मजे लिए, फोटो खींचे।
See all those little bubbles? That's why it's no longer blue, because now the light can pass very easily. When you're all done, you can just throw it back in, okay?
You want it? I'll throw it back.
Sometimes it makes for a good photo. Thousands of years old, most of that ice you're eating the ice from Antarctica. Very tasty. It's quite salty actually. Alright, what could possibly make this trip better? Maybe some chin strap penguins. Let's go see what they are.
See that iceberg is moving so much. ये है पहली झलक अंटार्कटिका की। आप कमेंट्स में बताना मुझे आपको कैसा लगा। इस तरह से हमारा सफर अभी पूरा हो गया और हम लोग शिप पे वापस जा रहे हैं।
But you can go up and look from up top. It was close enough, all those people see it.
That was one of the best Zodiacs, man. Thank you.
You go forward? Okay, you're gonna start. Stand up. Go on up.
Thank you.
Welcome back.
Thank you so much. Amazing experience.
Yes, it is. Give your feet a dip and then you go.
Sure.
Wow.
जैसे जाते टाइम शूज क्लीन करना है, वैसे आते टाइम भी आपको शूज क्लीन करना पड़ेगा। और अब आ गए हम लोग अभी मड रूम। यहाँ पे फिर से चेंज करके जाएंगे शिप पे। आपको अगर और ऐसी वीडियो देखना है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो।